Welcome to Tech Solution. My Arlo camera will not scan the QR code during setup. If you do not hear a chime during the Arlo Secure app on-screen QR code scan, remove the plastic film from the camera lens. Arlo products have protective plastic film on the camera to protect the lens during shipping. Remove the film from the camera lens before you scan the QR code. Increase the brightness on your mobile device. Your mobile device brightness might be too low for the camera to scan the QR code. If you are in a bright area, try raising the brightness on your mobile device to the highest level. With the QR code facing your camera, slowly move your phone closer and then farther away from the camera lens. Your mobile device might not be at a good distance or angle for your Arlo device to scan the QR code. Try positioning your mobile device approximately 6 inches (15 centimeters) from the camera lens, and slowly move it closer. If that does not work, try moving it farther away from the camera lens or try scanning from different angles. Disable dark mode if you are using an iOS device. In your iOS settings, scroll down and tap Display Brightness. Under the Appearance options, tap Light. Scan the QR code in an evenly lit area. Avoid scanning the QR code in the dark or in direct sunlight. Make sure there are no bright lights, glares, or reflections facing the camera. Turn on outdoor lights if you are installing outside at night. Provide shade for your Arlo device if it is exposed to direct sunlight during installation. Clean the camera lens. Use a lint-free cloth to remove any debris or smudges that might be preventing the camera from scanning the QR code. Ensure that you connected the camera to Wi-Fi with the correct password. If the password was not entered correctly, restart the setup process, and re-enter the Wi-Fi password. Try using a device with a larger screen. Use a tablet or iPad, if available. Try using an Android device for the install process. The Android version of the Arlo Secure app allows users to zoom in on the QR code if necessary. Thanks for watching.